How to fix Google Business Profile not publicly visible. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, let's go ahead and open our Google Maps. Now, if you have added your business location, but if it's saying that it is not publicly visible, then here is what you can do to fix it. Tap onto your profile, then tap on Add Your Business. While adding your business, you have to make sure that you are adding every location and street number. Let's go ahead and try it out. Let's give it a test and set a business category. Tap on to Next. Then here, while creating a profile, you have to make sure that you fulfill every step. It says that this location will show up on Google Maps and search when customers are looking for your business. Tap Yes and tap on Next. Now under here, you have to type in the country, your specific street address, your city and postcode. Tap on to Next once you are done. Now under here, you have to search for your specific location. Once it is so, you can also adjust it. If not, tap on Next. And likewise, you have to fulfill all this instruction very carefully, and you have to make sure that you are entering or toggling on the correct detail. Once it is so, it will take a couple of business days in order for your business to register publicly. And that will definitely fix your problem. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like and subscribe.